I remember when I started trading Forex in 2015, and from 2015 to now, 7 years after that, a lot of things have changed in the Forex market. So comparing that and a lot of changes which I've seen in the Forex market, and also what I've seen, what I've read, and according to my experience, these are the few changes which I believe are going to happen in the Forex industry in the near future. The near future can be in the next 1 year to come, 2 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, but in the near future, these are the changes which you should expect in the Forex industry. So this is when you should better position yourself, because we're going to be talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly when it comes to the future of the Forex industry. So before we get into the video, the other thing I wanted to do is to smash the like button on the video so that we can push the video to as many people as possible to let them know what they should expect in the future when it comes to Forex trading. So this is more like a prophecy, right? This is more like a prophecy when it comes to Forex trading. So I'm Prophet Godlove today, and I'm going to be telling you guys the future of Forex trading. Let's start with the number one. The number one on our list is increased number of scams. All right, increased number of scams. I remember when I just started in 2015, the scams that are today were not like that in 2015. All right, because today, due to technological advancement, many people are using advantage of that technological advancement to scam people. Starting right from the level of brokers, there are many scam brokers today as compared to 2015. Because of technological advancement, any person can just come up to call himself a broker. Then they offer you ridiculous, they do aggressive marketing, they offer you ridiculous bonuses, and when you actually deposit your money, because you're looking for those, you're following that money, you're looking for those ridiculous bonuses, they just disappear with your money. So they're the kind of brokers we call the hit and run or the fly by night brokers. Then even on the comment section of any of my videos, since I'm in the financial niche or the Forex industry, you see many people impersonating me. They use my same picture, my same name, they tell people they're doing investment, Bitcoin, blah, 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 blah. All those Forex related scams are very rampant today, and they were not like that in 2015. And it is projected that in the near future to come, Forex scams are going to increase by more than 15%. So please be on the lookout. No, the more the Forex industry is evolving, the more the technology is evolving, the more scammers are taking advantage, and they're going to steal your hard-earned money. Don't join this pyramid, this MMA, this pyramid, bring another person to bring another person to bring. That is not Forex trading. That is a pyramid scheme, and that is a straight scam. Be very, very careful. Don't be desperate. Be patient, and don't be a prey in the hands of these scammers. Number two on our list is increased popularity. All right, increased popularity. I don't just want to talk about the negative part of it, but on the positive part of it, based on the recent articles or based on the projections, it is projected that the Forex market is going to be increasing, or the daily volumes of transactions in the Forex market is going to be increasing by at least $1 trillion transactions per day, per every year. For example, now we have a daily transaction in the Forex market of almost about $6.6 trillion. In 2015, when I just started, 2016, by that time it used to just be 3.3, about 3 point something, about 3.1, 3.2 trillion dollars per day. But today we have 6.6, and it is even projected that due to the ease of entry into the Forex market, it is projected that the Forex market, the daily volume per transaction is going to be increasing by at least $1 trillion per day per year. So by next year, 2023, you guys should be expecting to see a daily volume of trading in Forex trading to be about 7.6 or $7.7 trillion transactions per day due to the ease of entry into the market. Then the third point on our list, which is going to be on the future of Forex trading, is going to be frequent change in Forex strategies. All right, frequent change in Forex strategies. That is why it is high time you know very well that as the Forex industry is evolving, the same strategy that was working yesterday, there's no guarantee it's going to work tomorrow. The same strategy that is working in 2022, there is no guarantee that same strategy is going to work in 2023 or in 2025. So as a forex trader, you have to be on the edge. You always have to keep yourself informed. You always have to keep yourself as informed as possible so that you can easily make those small tweaks as soon as the current, because the same market condition that is working today, there is no guarantee that same market condition will be working tomorrow. The same strategy, the same risk management or money management strategies you are using today, there is no guarantee that same money management strategy or that same risk management strategy is going to work tomorrow. That is why as a forex trader, you always have to, taking something like Godlove University as an example, that is why joining Godlove University, you join a community of forex traders where you are always informed about the recent strategy changes, about recent tweakings and stuffs like that. So always be in a community where you can always stay on the edge, you can always stay updated, so that a strategy that is not working, I'm not talking about changing the strategy completely, but you should be ready to make little tweaks as fast as possible. You should be very, very quick to adapt. You should be very quick to adapt to changing market conditions when it comes to forex trading, because as the forex market evolves, the future of the forex market predicts that strategies are going to be changing very rampantly. And if you're not very, very, very flexible to be able to adapt to changing strategies or changing market conditions, then that is where you're going to be left behind, or that is where you're going to be wired out. So the fourth point on our list on the future of forex trading is more automated trading. From research and also from the trend from 2015 or from 2010 to now, there's been an increase in automated trading for more than 70%. All right, and it is projected that by 2030 or in the next 5 or 6 years to come, more than 70% of all the trades that are going to be performed in the forex industry are going to be all automated trades. Don't get me wrong, don't get me wrong, all right? All these automated or these algorithms or these softwares or these robots are programmed by humans. All right, that is why it is very advisable. You can't even talk about robotic trading when you don't know how to trade. These companies won't even talk about algorithms or softwares or robots when they themselves don't have pros, when they themselves don't have profitable traders, when they themselves don't have gurus that can trade very well. All right, that's why robots will never replace humans. Humans are the ones that program the robot. But it is projected that by 2030, 70% of all the trades that are going to be performed in the forex industry are going to be performed by automated trading. Automated trading boils down to robotic trading, EA trading, algorithmic trading, and all of that, which is out of the influence of humans, although humans are the ones that program the software. How do you think banks trade? Banks don't look for support and resistance, they look for the trend. They're not sitting on their computer doing that the whole day. What retail traders do, they don't do that the whole day. They have algorithms, they have softwares, they have robots that open thousands upon thousands upon thousands of trades at high frequency. That's what they call them HF trading, high frequency trading. And it is projected that by 2030 or in the nearest future, in the future of forex trading, about 70% of most of the trades that will be performed in the forex industry is going to be high frequency trading or automated trading. So even though you are still a manual trader or you are still learning how to learn forex trading from the root, that is very, very important. But as soon as you know how to trade manually, as soon as you know price action, as soon as you know fundamental trading, it is very, very important for you to start learning a little bit about robotic trading. Start learning how robotic trading, you mustn't learn how to code a robot, but just have an idea about robotic trading work, about algorithmic trading or automatic trading or EA trading works, so that you won't be left behind. Because as the future is evolving in the forex industry, if you are not informed, you're going to be deformed. If you are not informed, you're going to be left behind. So the fifth point on our list is what we call mobile trading. As of now, about 30% of all the trades that are carried on in forex trading are done on mobiles. And it is also projected that in the near future to come in the forex industry, about 40% of all the entire trades that will be performed in the forex industry will be done on a mobile phone. That is why you can check about 80% to 90% of all brokers, they all have cutting-edge softwares. They all have cutting-edge mobile apps that are very, 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 very flexible, and they work very well on mobile, because they already know that is the future. That is the future of the forex industry, mobile trading. Although when it comes to trading, PC trading or computer trading will always be PC trading, because there are some analysis, there are some trades, there are some things you can install only on a PC, not a phone. But it is projected that in the nearest future, mobile trading will be at least 40% of the entire trading that is going to be done in the Forex market. And then the last point on our list that talks about the future. What is the future of Forex trading is in terms of prop firms. Prop firm stands for proprietary firms. Those are firms that will pay you to be able to trade their money. Those are firms that will pay you to be able to trade their money to keep a particular commission. That is the same way I started in Forex trading. When I started in Forex trading, if you haven't watched that first video about me, just go to the first video on my channel. I started trading with a prop firm, all right, because they actually taught me how to trade, and because my experience was exceptional, I started trading with that prop firm, and I even traded up to about 200,000 of their funds. But that was just short-lived, because I've always been my own boss, and trading sometimes has to do with psychology. I don't want somebody trying to impose what I have to do. I have my own reasons for taking trades. I have my own reasons for getting in and out of trades, and I don't want another person imposing on me what to do and what not to do with my trade. So that is the reason why I quit trading with a prop firm. And also because one of the reasons why, if you are trading with a prop firm, the main idea should just be for you to raise capital and go independent. It's just for you to raise capital and trade on your own. That was my main goal. But it is also projected that since to set up a prop firm or a proprietary firm doesn't cost anything. It doesn't, so long as you have the capital to give to traders to trade and the money to be able to build a cutting edge risk management strategy that can mitigate the risks between traders, you can be a proprietary firm software. So because of that, it is also projected that proprietary firms or prop firms are going to grow by almost about 60% by the end of 2030. All right, it's going to grow by almost about 60% even before. So if we have about 200 proprietary firms now, you should be expecting to have about 800 before the end of 2030. So that is the future of Forex trading. It is very, very important for you to have an idea of where the Forex market was in the past, where it is today, and where it is heading in the future, so that you can better program yourself, you can better position yourself. Don't be a profitable trader only for 1 year. Don't be a profitable trader only for 6 months and immediately the strategy change or the market condition change or the technology change or the software change, you are off the market, you are already wiped out because you were not informed, because you were not aware of what is coming ahead. So that is it from Prophet Godlove today, because I can come as a Prophet Godlove today. That is it from Prophet Godlove today about the future of Forex trading and how you should better program yourself. With that being said, if you want to be able to join me so that together we can better position ourselves to win in 2022, 2023, 2024, and in the future of Forex trading, then check out Godlove University, where you'll be able to have access to my full entire course. And after that, you also have access to my private mentee community, my private student community, where we share ideas on a daily basis. We keep each other updated on a daily basis, and 5 years to come we'll still be there to be adaptive. We are always flexible, we are always keen to know little changes in the Forex market, and together we'll be able to make that money. To check the link of Godlove University below and be able to enroll on the course. And you can also check out my free Discord community link. I'm only on Discord, I'm not more on Telegram. If you see any person on Telegram claiming to be Godlove, then that is a scam. I am not on Telegram. I'm strictly on Discord for now. All right, so check out my free Discord link on the video description. If you want to also use the same broker I use, because I've seen that broker is having a good future, you want to use the same broker I use, also check the link below on the video description to also use the same broker I use. Watch the next videos that are coming at the end of the screen because they are related to the same topic. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.